Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Thank you for joining me right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. So glad to have you. Today we're going to be taking a look at three very confusing words that are known as homophones. Yeah, homophones, words that sound alike, spelled differently, and have totally different meanings. Got it? The words we're going to be looking at today are there, there, and there. Yeah. T-H-E-I-R, T-H-E-R-E, and T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. These are confusing for both native English speakers and people just learning ESL and kids learning grammar. We call these a grammar gremlin. So come on, let's talk about them. There, T-H-E-I-R, it shows ownership. For example, their dog ran away. The dog owned by them. Their dog. Then T-H-E-R-E, their location. Like, look, over there. Location. The dog is over there. Got it? They're the ownership, their location. Perfect. Now, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E is a contraction meaning they are. We took the A out because apparently we are too busy for the A. And we put an apostrophe and made it R-E. So now they are becomes there. For example, they're happy the dog came home. Yay, the dog came home. They're happy. Got it? T-H-E-I-R, they're the ownership. Their dog, their house, their money. Got it. T-H-E-R-E, location. Look, he's over there. Do you know where? Over there. Got it? Then there, here is short for they and are. We get rid of the A, we put a contraction, and now we have there. They're happy the dog came home. They're happy. They're excited. Short for they are. Now, we're going to do a little close exercise. Now, first you're probably saying, why do they sound exactly alike? Because they're homophones. And because English likes to mess with you. But now, let's do a little exercise. I'm going to try a little whiteboard exercise. Practice. Your choices are there, there, and there. We went to, the house is over, and not home now. So we went to their house, the house is over there, they're not home now. Which ones do you think we should put in? Take a pause, put it in your mind. Got it? Hold that thought, hold that thought. This is like the quick answer, okay? Here we go. If you said, we went over there, T-H-E-I-R, house, the house is over there, T-H-E-R-E, and there, T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, not home now, you won. Yeah! Yeah, that's as easy as it is. Ownership, location, contraction. Got it? Awesome. Why do they sound exactly alike and have totally different meanings? I don't know, because English likes to mess with you. But now you can read and understand this set of sentences. They're our best friends. Their children play with ours. Look, they're over there. What? Come on, English. Have a great day. Thank you, my friends. Peace.